Now, you might be wondering why your Quest Pro controllers are not updating and you're wondering how to exactly fix it. Well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to make sure the headset itself is fully updated. So controller updates won't install if the headset firmware is behind. So you want to go and just put the headset and you want to go to your settings, go to system, then go to software update and install anything pending here. Restart the headset once it's actually done. Now, you want to go and just charge both controllers at least like 50% if you can. So low battery is the most common reason updates fail silently. So dock or plug in both controllers and wait until they're clearly charging. Don't try to update while they're actually low. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just place the controls right next to the headset and leave them there. The update is sent wirelessly here and the distance or movement can disrupt it. So just wait for a few minutes. Updates often start automatically. You want to go and just restart your controllers next. So you want to press and hold the menu Oculus button here on each controller for about like 10 seconds until it restarts. Now this forces the controller to reconnect and recheck the updates or for updates. Now, from then on, you want to go and toggle Bluetooth by restarting the headset. So power the headset off completely, wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the Bluetooth connection that the controllers rely on for updates. And from then on, check for the update status in the headset. So you want to go to your settings, device, then go to controllers, and look for update progress. Now, if it says updating, don't touch anything, just let it finish. Interrupting the step usually causes the update to fail again. Now, as a last step here, you go and just remove the controller in devices, then pair them again. Once they're reconnected, place them next to the headset and wait. Updates usually trigger after repairing. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.